everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a healthy, delicious salad recipe. This salad is another one of those recipes that is so simple to put together. I questioned whether to post it on our channel or not. Then I remembered those days when you really need something quick and easy to do. Those chicken thighs, we prepared them simply with salt and pepper, then we fried them. You can use leftover chickens for this recipe. Cut the gem lettuce in 4, then chop them into square pieces. Cut the avocados in half, lengthwise, remove the stones and cut into squares. Rough chop the spinach and make them smaller. Chop thin slices of radish. They go really nice in this salad. Then you dice the cucumbers, same size like the other ingredients. Finely slice some spring onions. Chop some almonds and leave it on the side. If you chop some extra, you can use again later. Use plenty of parsley and coriander. You can use both or you can just choose one. After chopping and placing all ingredients into a mixing bowl, simply add your favorite dressing. We used Caeser salad dressing in this recipe. You can find the recipe link in the description below. Then you gently mix them all together and place them into a serving bowl. Now you can add the chicken slices. Chopped almonds, chopped herbs and croutons for garnish. And here you have a delicious, healthy salad recipe to enjoy. So what's your favorite salad? Let us know in the comments below. And I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, peace be upon you.